Hey everybody, I'm back. I've been working hard out here in the garage, but it's not going quickly. And it's just been a lot of sanding. I've got high build all over the body, a couple low spots here and there, but for the most part I have started just sanding it down, block sanding it. There's one of the spots right there. The spot here on the roof. There's a little ding in the quarter panel on the passenger side. Yeah, right there. You know, there's a couple little spots. There's a couple spots right here, but it's nothing major. I got the rear valence in epoxy and one of the fenders in epoxy. I just got this ready where I need to sand it down and get it ready for epoxy. I went and started finding all the other parts. I got my gravel guard, my cowl, my side scoops, my front pieces. And I also found out there's a bunch of Bondo in my front apron, so yay to that. Seems like the never-ending Bondo machine keeps on coming. And then my end caps. You know, these end caps, I thought I saved them, but I got a little too crazy with the flap disc and kind of messed up the edges. This one's not too bad. This one's actually pretty decent. But this one, man, the edges are really messed up. This is kind of messed up here. So I just got a little too crazy with that, I guess. Trying to get the thick coat of paint off of it. And I feel like putting Bondo on there is going to be a problem. To try to get those edges and those smooth lines, that's going to chip off possibly. So I might end up using some aftermarket ones and going with those just to make sure I have my nice design lines and not weird edges. So, yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I didn't really want to make a bunch of videos. It's hard to make a video when all I'm doing is sanding. That's stupid. It's not entertaining. Other than me, you know, maybe goofing off a little bit, dancing around, but yeah. So just a quick update for you guys. But we'll see you soon. Hopefully, we'll be painting before too long. But little thing at a time. Later.